Hello guys, how are you? So it's very interesting. Yeah, it's very good. Yeah, very good, very strong. Yeah, I like it.
It's for you.
Wow, bro! Just a moment, just a moment.
No,
just
no, 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 it's
I
your...
have something for you.
No,
bro.
no, 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 it's for you. It's for you.
I have a lot, bro. I have a lot. I have too much, bro.
Amen, amen.
I don't want anymore. I don't want anymore. I don't want anymore.
Where's my money?
This is your money. Keep in touch, bro.
What do you think of Dushanbe? How do you feel it?
I love Dushanbe. Very beautiful people, very lovely people, very beautiful food. I love it. Follow your dreams, guys.
Is your first visit to Alaska?
Yes, it's my first visit, yeah.
Welcome to Dushanbe.
Amazing, amazing. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.